May is Remine Month at the Miami Association of Realtors. Today featuring Absentee Owners, available to you under the Remine search bar. Select Absentee and you can select Corporate, Owner-Occupant, Absentee in State, and Absentee Out of State. The benefit of this filter is twofold. First, you can target owners with campaigns to sell their homes. You can also find for those renting the property, and you can also see those that are out-of-state owners. Second, you can target renters who may be ready to buy by door knocking or sending mailers. Once you select what you need, let me see absentees in the state, I can select Apply. The ones that stay apply to the absentee selection I've selected. And then you can come and review them, select a cart, and add them in. All of this available to you with Remine Pro for being a Miami member. Thank you for being a Miami member. Always more with Miami.